Hi, this is Mrs. Flynn here to tell you how to pick your course requests for next year. So from the My Day tab, there is a button called Course Requests. And once you click that, you're going to see and be able to read all the information about choosing your course requests for next year. And if you scroll down, you'll see any course requests that Dr. Aguilar has preloaded, and usually that's religion classes. Closer to the start date of course requests, she will preload any courses that you've been approved for, such as AP courses. You'll see them here. So all you need to do to select requests is to pop open a department, and you'll see any courses there that you're eligible for. And you click Request. And now you see the request over on the right. And I'm going to go through a couple here, like English and mathematics, and just do some requests this way. And one good example that I want to do is a request for an elective. Once you get an elective in here that may or may not fit in your schedule, we want you to add 2 alternates for that. And all you have to do is search for a course and add it as an alternate, and search for a second course to add that as an alternate. And then you can continue selecting classes for your next year. Once you have all the classes in there that you want, click the Save button down at the bottom right, and it will keep everything that you have selected so far. That's it.